Hello guys, in this part we learn C# syntax. In .NET 5 and lower in the Program.cs we needed this code to run the project. But in the .NET 6 these codes are in the background. So I'll explain these codes because they should be all in the C# files. So I comment this line of code with 2/. Comment means this code is not running. I omit these comments and explain that. In line 1, using system means that we can use classes from the system namespace. Line 2, blank line. C# ignores white space, however multiple lines makes the code more readable. Line 3, namespace is used to organize your code and it is a container for classes and other namespaces. Line 4, the curly braces marks the beginning and end of a block of code. Line 5. Class is a container for data and methods, which brings functionality to your program. Every line of code that runs in C# must be inside the class. In our example, we named the class Program. Line 7. Another thing that always appears in a C# program is the main method. Any code inside its curly brackets will be executed. You don't have to understand the keywords before and after main. You will get to know them bit by bit while watching this tutorial. Line 9. Console is a class of the system namespace, which has a writeLine method that is used to print text. In our example, it will output hello world. If you omit using system line, you would have to write system.console.writeLine to print text. Every C# statement ends with semicolon. C# is case sensitive. That means my class and my class has different meaning. Unlike Java, the name of the C# file does not have to match the class name, but they often do for better organization. When saving the file, save it using a proper name and add .cs to end of the file name. To run the example above on your computer, make sure that C# is properly installed. So I hit Ctrl F5 and run the project.